Hey, what's up again, guys? It's your boy Mike, and here we'll be reviewing the Foxwell NT510 Elite for BMW models. This is already pre-installed with the BMW software, and when I first turned it on and plugged it into the USB, I had it updated to the latest software, and again, it just does the BMWs. If you try to add any other software, it won't let you actually, because like I tried and it won't let you choose another model. So this is specifically made for the BMWs. It doesn't have the removable SD card. I didn't try to open it up and see if there's an SD card in this, because it's already like sealed and it's gonna be a pain to just like take it apart. So here you see here has the USB-C cable connector there. It comes with a USB-C cable, which I used to update the software when I plugged into the laptop. It also gives you the option to connect to the Wi-Fi when it's powered on. And then that's how it'll also get the updates as well. When you use the Wi-Fi connection, you just update the software and then it'll just download everything and update. Actually, I just used the laptop to power it on. It didn't like run any updates from the laptop, but I did use it to register the device. So I'm going to use here on my daughter's BMW. It's a 328xi 2007 year model. It's the last one made in Germany before they start moving the manufacturing over to Mexico. Let's get this plugged into the OBDII 2 port. It's located right here, right below the hood, the trunk lever. So, and right on top of the hood lever. So you see there, OBDII connection. So you got remove the cover for it. OBDII 2 port, so it goes in one way. Okay, it's plugged in. And it's powered on. So let's start up the car first. And let's run a diagnostics on it. It's not touchscreen. You try touchscreen, it doesn't do anything. So you use the buttons here. So let's go and see if we could go BMW, enter. This is a BMW, loading data. Diagnostic. Why is it not running the diagnostic? I just did enter. Loading data. Please wait. Okay, so I guess that's just to choose the model. So let's go to OBDII. Enter. Loading data, please wait. Let's see. I'm not sure what else is. I just choose that. F2, since it says OBDII. So it goes back there, so I'm going to go down to data, content back. So how did I get this to read? All right, so I got it to read. I went to BMW and then just run a diagnosis, quick scan, pass, no fault, running scans. So in BMW, enter, I choose BMW again, enter, Smart VIN, enter, green VIN number, and that's the VIN number, okay, enter, so this is the version, E90, 320xi, model year 2006. Underscore 10, which is really 2007. Version USA, engine N52. Model series E390. Automatic transmission. Okay. Went F3, so it's reading the data now. It's going to take a little bit. It's at 2% right now. 36% now. You don't really have to have your engine on, but I turn it on just for the hell of it. Just see what it come out with the readings. 45, 47. It's gonna take a couple minutes. 86, 95. Almost done. Let's run a quick diagnosis on this. Enter, quick scan. Ooh, there's a fault in DME electronics. I'll address those later. Let's just do a quick read. Okay, so yep, that's it. That's done. Report. I already did the save on this prior. Make sure you want to exit. F3, yes. So let's do a quick look at the control modules. Drive. So you could look at all these in the drive modules. That's in the chassis. Okay, body. See all these functions you can look for. Okay, so you can also do service functions. Maintenance, preview, transport. Powertrain, chassis, body, suspension, body, check the battery voltage. You also register the battery, replace the battery, which is a pain because it's gonna cost you like a couple $100 just to get the battery reset when you replace the battery. Okay, so I'm not gonna run through that, but just want to show you the functions. Enable the code, occupancy mat. You can reset when you get the warnings on it. Yep. Special functions. Reset the oil and battery. Register battery when you change the battery. Program it. Power management, evaluate the state of charge. Let's just check out the battery, see what it does. No IBS installed. Okay, so I don't have the intelligent battery sensor installed. I'll choose one. Okay, done. So you do battery programming, bleed the brakes, steering wheel angle sensor, check the throttle, windows, seats, AC learning, transport mode, AEF adaptation, transmission adaptation. When you do the transmission fluid change, odometer reading. Yep, about 97,604 miles. Okay. Advanced functions. Read basic vehicle information. Coding, customization. Okay, just go back, exit, yes. And there you go. That's all. There you go. Just BMW. All the functions there. Please like and subscribe. And I have the link for the Foxwell NT510 Elite for BMW models. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.